Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to talk about tracks taken by your vehicle. In order to do so, we select a vehicle, then we click on the tracks icon. We select the period. I will choose 25 from midnight till 11:59 p.m. and we click show tracks. Then we have the set of tracks taken. This is the time started, the time when the track started, the length of the track, and the duration, the track duration. And the color can be changed as wishes. We can choose blue, and once we click on the eye, it will show you the track. It will display the track. And we have the starting point and the end point with all the information. If we have to zoom in, if we would like to zoom in, we could also have information about a specific period on the track. For instance, when we click there, we see the car was doing 13 kilometers per hour and it was mile 2.62 from the starting point, and it was 7:47 in the morning. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.